Craig, aka Gigawatts here. Here's a quick video of how to properly put in the Mamba monster into your four-wheel drive Slash so that everything fits and everything's screwed down tightly. This is the ESC mount from a brushless Revo, and using the Revo ESC mount, it has holes also in the chassis so that you can screw it down. There's no need to use shoe glue or buy aftermarket motor or ESC mounts. All this stuff, it's stock Traxxas stuff. I can give you part numbers to it, and it cleans up the whole installation. You can bolt the motor up using the standard screw holes. This happens to be the 2650 motor. The 2200 motor is a little longer, so you will have a little less room between the ESC and the motor using the 2200. And then you can mount your receiver waterproof using the Stampede receiver box. I'll put all the part numbers to all these things in the description. But with using the Stampede receiver box, there are already holes in the chassis to accept it so that you can screw it down tightly. You're not going anywhere. But if you have any questions or comments, post below and I'll get back to you and answer them.